Hello traders, it has been 8 years of Forex trading, and in my Forex journey, I have learned a lot. I have met many people, profitable traders. I can confidently say that you are in good hands. You might have seen my videos, some are from 4 years ago, and I've been sharing my knowledge to this day. If you didn't know me, my name is Dan, and I'm a full-time Forex trader and a content creator. Let's just get to the video. I was studying engineering.
Did you wear the gown or you found better ways to spend your time?
So first of all, 2018, I started with crypto.
I mean, that was a time when it was doing crazy 5,000% in a month.
Yeah.
Why did you leave that good business?
Kiliniramba siku moja.
When you shifted from crypto and got Forex.
Yes.
Kuramba this other side?
Of course, yeah. Learning is a process. Even losing is a lesson.
If you were to quit trading today, what amount of millions, billions of dollars you've made would make you like, I'm done with MT4 and 5?
I don't think so.
You're in for life.
These things is actually addictive. And you know, we are so different, all of us.
Yeah.
Like me, I know if I quit this thing, there's no parent to support me. You have to do it.
It's either you get it right or you go back to engineering class.
Kuna wengi sana wako interested kwa hii industry ya forex trading. Although jina forex nayo imeharibiwa jina kwa sababu the other side. I'm not really ashamed of what I do because hii ndio kazi yangu full time. Hii unaona hapa. I started this business from 2018. Wale tuko tunasoma na MKU wakana attest to that. That is 7 years ago. Mambo ilikuwa ngumu sana. Una trend lakini wewe bado ni maskini. Una trend na ingiani. Forex si rahisi. Kwa sababu most of you nimeona mkigive up. Kuna watu walikuwa interested sana sasa hivi ningejua wakianza that time. Sasa hivi wangekuwa wameomoka vibaya sana. Patience is the key. Kuna watu walianza kuniuliza mambo ya Forex 2021. Imagine ungekuwa nimekushika mkono that long. Sasa ungekuwa mbali sana. Sasa ungekuwa na pesa zako mingi. Hata kushinda hiyo kazi umepewa ama hiyo kazi unafanya. Yeah, Forex is has a lot of money. Kama unataka kuanza hii business, just know it's not easy. Ukikuja kunicontact, ujue mimi sina shortcut button. The only advantage you can take from me is absolutely free. Mbona nikuambia tu ukweli. It's very legit, very regulated, very legal, and you can do this full time, just like me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my trending lessons.